Hey guys, Tony here. So check it out. I'm gonna do a review inside this box. I've got the lumbar traction unit where you are.
Okay.
So I haven't even unpacked this yet. This is like brand new debut. This is the newest version of this device.
Okay.
We've used the old version in the past, so we're gonna kind of test out the new version. Absolutely, I could put it up on the table, but because of the softness and at home, you're gonna use it on the floor. So I wanna go straight to the floor.
Okay.
What we'll do, let's take a look at it. You know, there's a harmful side effect. There's nothing you can really mess up.
Gotcha.
You're doing it because it feels good more than anything else. All right. So let's see what we've got. Looks pretty good. Straight out of the box. So these guys, I'm gonna kind of show you how it works first, and then we'll get you set up in it. Okay, so basically what it is, we're gonna set you up on the device. This one's kind of over the pelvis. This one's kind of over the abdomen, right? Here is your pump. As you pump it, you can see that it's gonna create that traction.
Mm-hmm.
There's a gauge on here that we can use.
Mm-hmm.
If I push this button, what that does is it's a release that will let the pressure go back down. So here's the thing, and this is what I kind of mentioned the other day. There's a couple different positions we're gonna play with on here. We can do on your back, and we'll kind of start with that. We can do on your stomach, and we'll see how that goes. I like very gentle traction. I could go up to 70 pounds.
Wow.
But the idea is I'm never gonna overcome the tightness in the muscles. I don't want that. I want relaxation. So when I go from standing to laying, I already have traction. When I go from laying to 10, 15, 20 pounds of distraction, that's what I'm looking for. Enough to relax, not enough that you feel like you're hanging off the Empire State Building.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
So let me get you down into position here. Head's gonna be right here, preferably no pillow. So you're gonna actually slide down lower.
I'm down here.
Yeah, even lower. Keep going, because when you lay back, there you go. So,
Oh, I feel better already.
and everything can always be modified, tweaked, changed. But right now, here's your belt.
Yeah.
The bottom straps are right down here.
Okay.
And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click these together. These will adjust. I want it to be snug. I don't need it to feel like we're cutting off circulation.
Gotcha.
Kind of like a warm hug. Okay.
Yeah. No, it
Now,
feels
this guy-
it does feel snug, but it's not.
Because again, I'm not pulling with 70 pounds of pressure.
Right.
I'm pulling with 20 pounds of pressure. Okay. So, usually what I do is I do the first couple pumps just so you can get a feel for what it's gonna do.
Right.
Okay, so that right there puts you at 20 pounds. I could see a little bit of movement.
Right.
You seem comfortable. You don't seem like... go ahead and bend your knees for me. Put your feet flat on the ground. Can you? Okay, never mind. Go back down. Let's just stay like that. What does this feel like?
It doesn't feel bad actually.
I'm going to deflate it so you can feel the release
Right.
there. I'm going to pump it up again. That takes you to 20 pounds again. Now, I'm just going to leave that on your chest.
Okay.
What we'll do is we'll stay in this position about 5 minutes. I'll set a timer. If you want to go a little bit more, you may. I want to get about 10 to 12 minutes total the first time. and then we'll get out of here and we'll do your exercises.
Okay.
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 So I've got it on camera. Is it okay for me to share this video for other people so that they can learn from what's going on and see how the device works?
Yes.
Okay. If you ever want me to take it down, you have total permission. You let me know and we'll wipe it out.
Okay.
Okay, so you just relax. I'll check on you in 5 minutes.
All righty.